Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube video and I hope you guys will find it worth learning and worth viewing. So without wasting time, let's get started. Uh, okay, so today what we are discussing, I will show you how we can use the and operator and like how we can use it, use the pitfalls of it, and we will explore some JS part, how it is evaluating the JavaScript part. Okay, so what I will do, I will quickly make a div tag and render something so that it works. Okay, so it is working. Now what we can do is we will learn and operator and operator in JavaScript short circuit evaluation in JavaScript short circuit evaluation in JavaScript. Uh, for that, I need to make an object. I will keep one thing. I have made an object, JavaScript object, and I have kept it to true, right? What I will do is I will make one input tag. Sorry, sorry. Input have self-closing tag. Sorry. I will have type equal to text. I will also make one label tag in HTML. You have known label tag. What is label tag? We will keep enter the task. Just keep watching this video. You will find it worth learning. So what we were doing is we were learning and operator. So basically, what is and operator? And operator in JavaScript is like it evaluates the expression. We have some expression. Suppose we have some left hand side expression and a right hand side expression. It will this will evaluate the expression. If this value is true, and if this value is true, then it will give us the value true, right? And it works also in short circuit evaluation. We will see how short circuit evaluation works basically here. So right, so what I will do is I will make one fragment, React fragment. I'll make one React fragment. What I will do is I will just render this input tag based on if object is true or false. If it is true, it will render that thing. See, what I did is I checked if my object.isIs development task value is true. If it is true, then only it will go to the next expression and it will return that expression. How short circuit evaluation works is if your left hand side expression is false, it will not render anything and return the left left hand side expression, and if it's true, it will return the right hand side expression. So what here is we are checking for truthiness. If the object.isIs development value is truthy, then we will render the next expression, right hand side expression. So this works for this is the normal case. Okay, if I give false, it will evaluate this, it will check this, boolean context. If it is true or false, it is false, then it doesn't go into and operators. It will just, if it is encounters, if it is a falsy value, it will just return from here, return that value, left hand side expression value. Okay, to clarify in JavaScript, the and operator returns the value of right hand side, right hand side, if left hand side is true the, okay, if left hand side value is true the, it will return the value of right hand side, which is the div, the input tag. Okay, and also we have 6 falsy values in JavaScript, so that you will falsy values in JavaScript. We have the false itself, we have undefined, we have null, we have zero also, we have nan, we have empty string also falsy value, negative, minus 0, and all the things. So these are the things which are considered falsy. Apart from this, any value which comes, like this will check, this basically object dot is iOS development checks if it is true the, means it doesn't come into this segment, it doesn't come into this 6 values. If it comes in this 6 values, if it is falsy, but if it doesn't comes in this 6 values, it is true the, it should be other than these 6 values. Got it? Okay, so therefore when the left hand side value is 0, if I suppose, I will show you, if I give a 0, what do you expect? See, strange answer, right? What I told you is, if it is a falsy, then it will render nothing, right? It will render nothing, it should show nothing on the screen. If it is true, then only it should show the right hand side expression, right? But here we are giving false value only. You, as I said, it should be in this between values, right? So I've given 0 only, it is falsy only, then why it is returning the 0? Why? Okay, also if I give nan, it will give as nan, right? It is also, nan is also in this segment, right? Okay, it is also, if I give undefined, see, it will not give us anything, not render anything, blank screen, right? But 0 and for nan, right, it will render. So the issue is, concept lies here in is how JavaScript like works, right? How JavaScript evaluates. So therefore when the left hand side value is 0, right? Therefore when the left hand side value, now this value is, overall whole value is 0, right? This whole value is 0, right? So it is 0 is a falsy value in JavaScript. So if it is 0, then what it will do, it will just check if it is a falsy value, right? It will just return this value, return this 0 value. Okay, this 0 value, it will return this value instead of going into this whole expression. It doesn't evaluate this whole expression only, it just returns from here. It encounters falsy value in JavaScript, it returns from here. Okay, so this value is 0, and it will return from here, it will give you 0 on the screen. This is not what we want, right? So like when the left hand side value is 0 or nan, right? 0 or 9, it is like a value, and we don't want a value. This basically works on evaluating the value, like evaluating a boolean expression. This basically wants a boolean expression, not a value, right? If it is a value, it will return that value, but in like we want to make sure it is a boolean expression, right? So it will consider it falsy in JavaScript, and it will return that value instead of rendering nothing, right? This can lead to unexpected results or potential bugs in your application. To handle this scenario, like currently handle this scenario, you should always make sure that this is a boolean value. What we can do is, we can just make greater than 0. Now it will not render anything, you will get expected results. Why? Because the left hand side is a boolean expression. This is a boolean expression, right? This is a boolean expression, it will evaluate the boolean expression. But if you give a value as 0, it will just return that value, and it will give unexpected results. How this works, what we have done is, I will show you what we have done. We did object.ios development greater than 0. Now our value was, suppose I give object.ios development value as 0. What is doing? The 0 greater than 0? No, it will give you the output as false, right? Now the whole value, this whole value is false, and what, this is what we were expecting, right? It should be false, it should be a boolean expression, it should not be 0, right? It should be a boolean expression. Yes, previously it was 0, right? Now what we did is, what just we make sure that it should not be a data type, not be a zero or data value, whatever. It should be a boolean expression. We should evaluate it as a boolean expression. This is how JavaScript works. So we should make sure that the left hand side is a boolean expression, and like we can make comparison, like basically this will return that true or false, because this is a comparison thing, right? Comparison, whenever you compare something, it will return, the return type is basically boolean. So we are comparing this, it will return us a boolean value, and then we are like evaluating boolean value, false, true, whatever. See, if I do nan now, see, it will not, it will give you all the expected results whatever you want. If you return this, if we just see nan 0 0, so we should basically make it as a boolean expression. This is how it works in JavaScript, and this is how you should be doing handling things in JavaScript. This is basically how and operator works in JavaScript, right? So this is all I wanted to show you in this video. Hope you guys like learned something new from this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and just hit the subscribe button and like button. Thank you for like watching this video.